On the countertop, we have a laptop, and we have a Cisco IP phone, and then we have two radios, a UHF and a VHF radio. On the phone, we have a services menu. Smart+Connected Demo is the name of the service. If you select that service, you have controls for iPix, HVAC, lighting, and room mode. If we select iPix, you can log in. And here you can control various functions via iPix. You can talk to the engineering, or the Englewood Fire Department VHF, Englewood Police Department UHF, loudspeaker, and contact the first responders virtual talk group, which bridges the IP phone and the UHF and VHF radios together. Next, we have the HVAC control, where you can select your heat points and cool points. Hit the back button, put in a new set point, hit submit, and you'll get successfully changed heat set point to 55 degrees. Next, we have lighting control, where we can turn the lights, which I showed you before down here, the building lights. We can set those to low, which turns half of them on. We can select them to high, which turns all the lights on. Last, we have room mode, and this sets the thermostat to unoccupied or occupied mode. I just selected unoccupied. And as you can see, the thermostat changed to unoccupied.